Hello students, in the previous class we have learnt about disaster and causes and effects of some natural disasters. Today children we shall learn about first aid. I know all of you love to play games. Sometimes you forget about all things when you get busy playing football, cricket or any other games. You only want to enjoy game at that time. Isn't it children? But sometimes you may get a cut or wound as you fall down while running. Few of you may ignore it and keep playing. But you must know when you get a cut or wound, dirt settles on that. Germs may grow on that part. So, whenever you or your friend may get hurt during play, just take a few minutes for little treatment to avoid a bigger problem in the future. First, if someone gets hurt, we should inform an adult and tell him or her what happened. Why? Because an adult person can give necessary immediate treatment to injured person. This kind of immediate treatment is called first aid. So what is first aid? First aid is a first and immediate treatment given to any person suffering from either a minor or serious illness or injury. This is extremely essential during disasters or accident as it can help to save somebody's life. What should be done when your friend is hurt? First, we need to clean the dirt, germs from the wound. But how? There is a medicine for that is used to clean germs from wounds, which is called antiseptic. You must have seen antiseptic lotion such as Dettol, Savlon in your home. A cotton swab soaked in antiseptic lotion can be used to wipe the wound. After that, apply antiseptic cream like sopramazine to the wound. So, we may need these medicine at any time. We should keep all the medicine such as antiseptic cream, that is sopramazine, and cotton, bandage, antiseptic lotion such as Dettol, Savlon in a box as these are used in first aid. So we can call the box as first aid kit. So you can see first aid kit in the picture. So you can see plus sign on the box. In the center you can see plus sign. So plus means doctor, so that we can recognize the box easily. It is important to have a first aid kit in your home so you can deal with minor accidents and injuries. You must have seen first aid kit in buses and in schools. So they have kept the first aid kit for emergency. Now what are the medicines should be there inside the first aid kit? The first aid kit may contain plasters of different sizes, bandages to cover the wound, antiseptic lotion such as Dettol or Savlon, and antiseptic cream, that is sopramazine, and paracetamol tablets which is that crocin. So we take crocin for fever and headache. Next, scissors to cut the bandage, and some cough medicines and also thermometer. So thermometer is used to check the fever. So these are the medicines should be kept inside the first aid kit. So we can find these things in any medical shop. So now let's see what is the first aid given for external bleeding. So we may get hurt in many ways. We may get cut during play or while cutting vegetables at home. Some accidents are so serious. If a person is bleeding, first make him sit or lie down comfortably. Then second, clean the wound with clean water. So what we should do? First, clean the wound with clean water. Next, keep the injured part above the level of the heart to reduce the blood flow. Then apply antiseptic cream such as sopramazine to the wound. If the wound is deep, rush to a doctor to stitch it and get proper medical care. Okay, students, you understood what is the first aid given for external bleeding. What we should do? First, make the person to sit or lie down comfortably. Then clean the wound with clean water. Then keep the injured part above the level of the heart to reduce the blood flow. Then afterwards, so if you have any antiseptic cream, so you can apply it on the wound. Apart from this, fire sometimes carries accident in home because we become careless at home. Sometimes we touch hot pots or hot pans or hot cooker by mistake, or glass of hot milk kept near the edge of a table may suddenly fall on someone's feet and burn his or her feet. So many a time children become careless while busting crackers during Diwali and burn their fingers. Yes, no, children? This kind of burns are very painful. So this kind of burns are very painful. What are burns and scars? Burns means it is an injury to the skin that happens from touching something hot object. So what are burns? It is an injury to the skin that happens from touching something hot object. Say, what are scars? Scars means what? Burns caused by hot liquids. So you can see in the picture what is the difference between burns and scars. So if we touch hot object, our skin get burns, correct? Then scars means what? Burns caused by hot liquids. Now what is the first aid given for minor burns? So first what we should do? Wash the injured part with water or hold it under water. So what we should do? So if it is a minor burn, so wash the injured part with water or hold the injured part under the tap water. Then next, give the person some water to drink. So give water to drink. Then next, clean the wound with an antiseptic solution using a cotton swab. So clean the wound with antiseptic solution such as Dettol or Savlon using a cotton swab. Then afterwards apply ointments that are specially prescribed for burns but don't apply oily ointments. So remember students, we should not apply oily ointments to the burnt skin. So we can apply aloe vera gel on the burnt skin. Then next, cover the wound using dry dressing. So cotton dressing, cover the wound using cotton dressing. So these are the first aid given for minor burns. Now let's see what is the first aid given for serious burns. So what we should do? First, give emotional support to the patient. So emotional support means what? So we should encourage the person, those who are suffered from burnt, serious burnt. Correct? So encourage the person, say everything is okay with you, don't worry, don't take tension. So we should give emotional support to the victim. Victim means what? Patient. Then next, remove any clothing or jewelry or shoes etc. near the burnt area of skin if easily possible. So if easily possible, then we can remove cloth or jewelry, rings, shoes etc. near the burnt area of the skin. Then but do not try to remove anything that is stuck to the burnt skin, as this could cause more damage. Okay, so we do not try to remove anything that is stuck to the burnt skin. Next, do not touch or burst the blisters on the skin. So blisters means what? You can see in the picture, see second picture. So the burnt place even may get, sometimes what happens, burnt place even may get swollen sometimes, and it looks like packet of water. Correct? In the picture you can see, so that blister, it looks like packet of water, so that is only called blister. So do not touch or burst the blisters on the skin. Then next, do not apply oily ointments. So we should not apply any oily ointments to the burnt skin. If the patient is conscious, then give water to drink, but avoid tea or coffee or other stimulating drinks. Stimulating drinks means what? Other aerating drinks, cold drinks. Then next, take the patient. So then the patient should be taken to a hospital for further treatment. So these are the first aid given for serious burnt. Okay. Now next one is sunstroke. So what is sunstroke? When we work in the sun continuously for a long time, the body loses a lot of water and minerals. So that is the reason for sunstroke. So what is sunstroke? So if you work in the sun continuously for long time, 3 to 4 hours, so our body loses lot of water and minerals. So it results, so that is the reason for sunstroke. Now what is the first aid given for sunstroke? So first what we should do, take the patient to a cool place or in the shade. So those who are suffering from sunstroke means what? Suppose if we stand in the sun for a long time, we may feel giddiness, we say chakkar aata hai. Correct? So that is called sunstroke. So what we should do, if a person is suffering from sunstroke, take a patient to a cool place or in the shade. Then sponge the whole body with cold water. So sponge the whole body with cold water. Then place a cloth soaked in cold water on the neck. So we should place a cloth soaked in cold water on the neck. Then give plenty of water or liquids like sharbat to drink. So we should give what? Water to the patient, or sharbat, for example lemon sharbat. So we can give lemon sharbat to drink. Then next, if the patient feels like vomiting, make him lie prone. Lie prone means what? That is on his or her abdomen with the head turned to one side. Then, so in severe cases, so shift the patient to a hospital. So if it is serious, then shift the patient to a hospital. So these are the first aid given for sunstroke. What we should do? First, take a patient to a cool place or shaded place. Then sponge the whole body with cold water. Then place a cloth soaked in cold water on the neck. Then give sharbat to drink. So these are the first aid given for sunstroke. Next, snake bite. So what is the first aid given for snake bite? There are nearly 2000 species of snakes. Of these, only a few like cobras, kraits, vipers and sea snakes are poisonous. Therefore, all snake bites are not fatal. Not fatal means what? All snake bites are not causing death. However, fear causes severe psychological shock which can result in death. If you come across a snake, contact a Sarpamitra rather than killing the snake at once. So Sarpamitra are, so they are snake catchers. Sarpamitra means what? So snake catchers, or Sarpamitra are volunteers who help to save the snakes. So they capture the snakes and release them back into their natural habitats. Now let's see what is the first aid given for snake bite. If a person gets poisonous bite, snake bite, so we should not waste any time. We should immediately take the victim to a doctor. Victim means what? Patient to a doctor. So before that, what we should do? What is the first aid given for snake bite? So first, wash the wound with water. So wash the wound with water. Then give emotional support to the patient. So we should give emotional support to the patient. That means encourage the patient. Say everything is okay with you, don't worry. Then next, we should tie a cloth tightly above the wound. So you can see in the picture. So what we should do? Tie a cloth tightly above the wound to restrict the blood flow and stop the poison from mixing with the blood. So why you have to tie the cloth above the wound? To restrict the blood flow and stop the poison from mixing with the blood. And the next one is, so take a patient to a doctor as early as possible for anti-venom injection. So what we should do? Immediately we should take a patient to the doctor, so that doctor will give a injection of anti-venom. So which injection is given for snake bite? Anti-venom. Now next one is dog bite. So what is the first aid given for dog bite? Children, you love to play with cute dogs, puppies, correct? But you should not play with stray dogs as it may bite you. If anyone gets bitten by dog, he or she should be taken to the doctor. the dog have germs of causing diseases called rabies in their saliva. So what is the first aid given for dog bite? So first, wash the wound with solution of potassium permanganate. So that will be available in medical shop or any other antiseptic lotion such as Dettol or Savlon. So first what we should do, wash the wound with antiseptic lotion or a solution of potassium permanganate. Then next, cover the wound with clean and dry cloth. So first wash the wound using antiseptic lotion, then afterwards cover the wound with clean and dry cloth. Next, then the victim should be taken to doctor for dressing the wound, and the injection of anti-rabies vaccine should be given to the victim. So immediately we should take a victim to a doctor. So for what? For injections. Which injection is given for dog bite? Anti-rabies injection. You can see in the picture. So that vaccine is given to a victim. Students, today we have learnt what is the first aid given for external bleeding, burns and scalds, and sunstroke, snake bite and dog bite. Correct? So I will meet you again in the next class. Thank you.